To set pressing Alt plus tab as open Windows and five most recent tabs in Microsoft Edge in Windows 11 Home. Right click on empty area on the desktop and then select personalize. Next, click or tab system and then select multitasking on Alt plus tab. Click or tap drop down menu and then select open Windows and 5 most recent tabs in Microsoft Edge. Okay, now when you're pressing Alt plus tab, Windows of Windows and 5 most recent tabs in Microsoft Edge will be shown. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.